Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to search on Netflix. So first of all, double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. And I'm going to go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And basically what you're going to do if you want to search on Netflix, open Netflix, and either by starting an app on your mobile device or streaming device, or by navigating to netflix.com in a browser. At the top of the screen or at the top of the sidebar on TV apps, tap or click the search icon shaped like a magnifying glass, and then type your search. If you want a quick demonstration on how it's done, if you are using a mobile device, you're going to be able to see your shows, and you're going to be able to see a button called search at the below right corner, and you're going to be able to search for shows or movies on your phone or your mobile device. And if you are using PC, go ahead and log in with your account. You're gonna be able to see on your account at the top of the list. You're gonna be able to see the search bar, and then just look for it. And basically, you're gonna be able to to search for TV shows or movies that you actually want. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.